Okay, students, this is part 2 of the 45, 45, 90-degree Caracol. So all we're going to do in part 2 is make sure that we have all the stuff here. And it looks kind of confusing, but it actually looks pretty cool. So we're going to zoom in, and then we're going to save. So we're going to zoom in, and we know this one's a 45, 90. We know that this one, these side lengths are the same. Each side length of each triangle are the same. So we know they're isosceles, they're right triangles because we have the perpendicular lines. And so they're all 45, 45, 90 degree. Now we're just going to alternate colors. So the colors I used was, I think I used the highlighted it in yellow. So I'm going to use a deep yellow. Okay, and then my opacity I'm going to put at, say, whatever that opacity is. It doesn't really say, does it? 67, so I'll put it at 70 just to be okay. So that's that one, and then I want to select. So if I hold alternate and select the triangles, is it no control and then select? I can select multiple. So I'm gonna select that one. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna deselect all of them. I'm gonna deselect all of them. I'm gonna hold control, select this one. I'm gonna select every other one. Okay, and then I'm gonna color those gold ones with the opacity 70. Remember, 75. So 75. There's 70. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. And the other one, I used the blue highlighter. So I'm gonna hold my control. So I'm gonna click somewhere here. So I unselect everything. Then I hold control, and I'm gonna select the other triangles, and I'm gonna choose blue with an opacity of 70. No, let's a different opacity. Let's say, how about 40, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so then make sure we're in the move menu so we don't mess our construction up. Make sure that we can see it. And there is your 45, 45, 90 degree caracol. So go ahead and go to File, Save. We always save as public because we want to share. Sharing is caring. And it also, hopefully opens up a discussion, or maybe someone will share with you back something that's interesting. And so public 4540 Caracol, and we're going to save. Make sure you signed in. And if you're signed in, if you're not signed in, you can't save. And once you're signed in and you have everything, please show me, and then you can sign out. Okay? And then if you sign out, you should have, we'll leave this page. And if we go back to our materials and we refresh, we should have the Caracol, right? Well, no, because I signed out. So I have to sign back in, and then I should be able to see it in my account. Okay, students. So here it is here. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you to show me. So make sure you save often, because you don't want to lose any of your work, because I know a lot of students have lost their work. Okay, I'll be coming around checking your work. Thank you.